Nahihirapan ka ba na mag-submit ng proposal or mag-create ng proposal na pwede mong gamitin sa Upwork? Kasi palagi akong nahihinga nito. Like, pahingi naman ako ng cover letter mo for Upwork, or pahingi naman ako ng paano mag-submit ng proposal sa Upwork, or paano ako mag-a-apply sa Upwork na mapapansin yung application ko. No, I mentioned this sa previous video ko, but if you guys haven't seen it yet, Upwork actually has an academy na sobrang kumpleto. Punta lang kayo sa Google, keyword is Upwork Academy, enter, pagkatapos yung kauna-unahan ninyong makikita is this one, Academy. Click nyo lang yan. I promise everything that you need to know about Upwork is already. So, apart sa napakita ko na learning path on how to get started with Upwork, makikita nyo rin meron dito mga one-on-one profile strategy call, education marketplace, upskill with Upwork mini courses. Everything that you need to know is here. And the best news of them all is you can actually learn Upwork absolutely free. From setting your rates, building your portfolio, creating your profile title overview, everything is here. The only thing that's missing here is strategy. Ano nga ba yung strategy na gumagana dito sa Pilipinas if you're trying to find clients in, let's say, Australia or United Kingdom, or you're thinking about finding clients globally pero hindi mo alam kung paano nga ba man-target based on what we see sa feed natin dahil nasa Pilipinas tayo. And this and more I talked about sa video ko na in-upload sa YouTube. It's up already. You guys can watch it. Just a heads up, 40 minutes talaga yung video. So you might want to prepare a pen and a paper plus oras. The only thing that you need right now is oras. Kasi kailangan talaga kapag mag-aaral kayo ng freelancing, meron kayong dedicated time for upskilling and learning new skill sets. And this would be a very good start, especially this coming 2024. Papasok na naman ang bagong taon. Bakit hindi mo pa sinisimulan yung freelancing journey mo? Anyway, sana makatulong to. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe ha. And comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!